Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a split screen effect on your videos in Capcut. So if you want to add, say for example, 3 or 4 clips onto one screen, then let me show you how to add the split screen effect on Capcut. So here I've got Capcut open. Go ahead and create a new project. Now here you want to go ahead and import 3 or 4 clips. We'll be importing 3. Now we want to go ahead and place all of these clips on the timeline on top of each other. Now with the split screen, you need to make sure all of these clips are the same duration. So we'll go ahead and shorten them and we'll make it the same duration. Now once that's shortened, you want to go ahead and select the first clip. At the top right, select mask. And here you want to go ahead and select the horizontal mask and apply it. Now once that's done, you want to go ahead and turn it so that it appears at a 45-degree angle. Now select basic and you want to position this so that it moves to the left. Now you want to go ahead and select your second clip, choose mask, choose horizontal, and now go ahead and turn this so that it becomes into a 45-degree angle, similar to the one which we did to the first one. Choose basic, and then you want to go ahead and move this so it stays to the right. The last clip, I'll keep it as it is, as I want the person to be seen. And now when I play this video, you can see all the 3 videos in the split screen effect. So there you go guys. That is how to apply the split screen effect on your videos in Capcut.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. And